And so let's talk about protocol in Swift. Let's talk about protocol in Swift. And so I am going to discuss about protocol in Swift. What is protocol in Swift? So protocol define a blueprint of methods and define a protocol of instance method and properties and other requirement that use a common task functionality in Swift. So we're gonna create on the first of all we are going to discuss about in this protocol. First of all, we are going to discuss about in this protocol. This is a property requirement. So what is property requirement? The protocol also declare each property must be gettable or settable and settable. Must be the protocol also declare each property. The protocol also declare each property must be gettable and settable in this Swift. So we're gonna create on this protocol. We're gonna use the protocol keyword and suppose this is a anything. And we're gonna requirement suppose this is a anything protocol which have anything protocol, and we're going to create on this property. Suppose this is a var name which is type of string, and this is a gettable property, and we're going to use of gettable settable suppose which is type of age which is type of integer, and we're going to use of gettable and settable property in this property. And we're going to create on suppose we're going to create on this another class, and class which have name on this. Suppose this is a class name is hello, and which is confirm on this protocol anything protocol confirm on this protocol anything protocol. And we're gonna check on this conditions, and you can do more on this Xcode. Suppose this is the issue in this Xcode beta issue, but it's not problem. This is the Xcode beta issue. Okay, so we're gonna requirement on this method. In this method we're going to requirement, suppose in this method we're going to requirement is check on this conditions. So in this is the type of hello, we can start fix on this add on this method. This is the one name or age in this class property. Okay, add in this property. Suppose we're going to create on this initializers in this property, and name which is type of string, and comma suppose we're going to next use this integer, age which is type of integer, and we're going to statement self dot name is equal to name, and we're gonna use of self dot age is equal to age. Okay, we're gonna use of in this property, initialize in this property, and we're gonna create on this instance in this class. So we're gonna create on this instance in this class. So let obj is equal to hello, which have initializer name and age. Suppose this name is Risalat and age is, suppose this is the age is 20 years. Okay, and we're going to use of on this 22, we're going to use print on the system. We're going to use a print statement. So object dot name and comma object dot comma, we can use a string interpolation and slash n, and we're going to use of comma, so object dot age. Okay, we're going to print in this condition object dot age. So we can print on this name and age. So this is the Risalat and 20 year of age. We're going to use a print statement. So we can use of protocol property based on this protocol. This is a property requirement in this protocol. Suppose we're going to use the next use in this property. So this is a method requirement. Protocol can require specific instance method and type method. So protocol can require specific instance method and type methods to be implemented by conforming type. So we're going to create on this. Suppose this is the implement method and not implement method. We're going to apply on this hello class, remove on this property, and so this remove on this object in this class. We can not confirm in this application. So we're going to create on this method. Suppose this is a func. This is a not static method. Suppose we're going to use a not static method. Anything. So we can use the first is a require specific instance method. Anything instance method. Okay, we're gonna create on this method. Suppose in this method not written in this case, in this method this is not written, and we're gonna use the next signature. We're gonna use the static func. So anything, we can use the function name. This is the anything static method. we're going to create on this signature. So any function instance method and static method we can use. So protocol can require specific instance method and require instance method and type method to be implemented by confirming type. Okay, and we're going to confirm on this protocol. We're going to confirm on this protocol. Suppose this is a anything protocol. Okay, and we can recommend in this case we can remove in this application, add on this functionality automatically. We can press add on this method. This is instance method and type method. So we can use the instance method. We can use the print statement. So this is a instance method print, and we're gonna use the next print statement use. So this is a anything static method, and we're gonna create on this instance in this class. So suppose we're gonna get an instance that object is equal to hello, and we're gonna create on this instance in this class. We're gonna calling on this condition. So we're gonna call on this object dot anything instance method. Anything instance method, this is the instance method, and static method you can directly call in this class name. So this is a hello, this class name dot, we can calling on this anything static method, calling on this anything static method. So this is anything instance method and anything static method. This is anything instance method. So static method, this is directly call on this class name. Static method, that is directly call in this class name, and instance method by using object call in this class name. Okay, and this is a method. This is a method requirement in this protocol. Okay, suppose we can next do the mutating method requirement in this protocol. This is the mutating. So we can use the mutating requirement in this case. So we're gonna apply on these properties, and so we can use the mutating method. Suppose this is a method remove this application and remove this protocol. So this is a remove this methods and remove calling on this, not calling on this method. Okay, and in this method this is a mutating function. Mutating, this is we can use mutating. So what is mutating function? It is mutating functions methods for modify or mutate value. So that is used to enum and structure and class. So this process describe in mutate value type, modify value type, and within the instance method, value type. Suppose we are going to get only mutating func, and we can use it in this function name. In this function name is, so in this use of toggle case, we share in this function. Okay, we're gonna confirm on this protocol, and you can use of anything protocol. Okay, we're gonna add on this method in this class. Suppose in this, not in this class, suppose we can use of enum. Okay, in this enum use of in this method, so we can add on this functionality, and this is the add on this functionality, and remove on this object. So add in this functionality on this switch toggle method already add. We can use enum. This is add is two case add in this case. So yes and comma no, in this two case add on this only. So we're gonna apply on this switch statement. In this switch self, we're gonna apply switch self. Okay, and we're gonna exhaustive case add on this yes and no. We're gonna add on this case yes and no. So this is add on this case yes and no. Suppose we can use the add-on. So self is equal to yes dot no. Okay, and we can add self is equal to dot no yes. We're gonna apply on this yes case. So we can changing on this case. We're gonna print on this case. In this Xcode beta issue, but it's not applying this condition in this issue of Xcode beta, and not in this issue in our project, our coding and our in this cases. So we can use the print statement. Suppose in this we can use the print statement, print, and print statement we're going to use the from this print statement. Suppose this is a print statement uses a no, and we're going to apply on this case is, suppose this is a no. In this case is we're going to print on the statement no. Suppose in this no, and we can use of in this case is so no and yes. So we're going to apply on this cases in this yes and in this no. Okay, self is immutable. oh sorry, we can use of, this is a instance immutable method, we can use of immutable, this is self, only self method in this use. Okay, and we're gonna call instance on this enum, so var, and we're gonna instance create on this in the print toggle, and we're gonna is equal to, we're gonna assign on this, suppose this is a hello and dot, suppose this is a no. Okay, and we're gonna use we can use the statement in this case, so we're gonna assign on this print toggle dot toggle cases, we can calling on this toggle cases. Suppose this toggle this is no, so we can print statement we use of to no and yes, no toggle in this statement yes. Suppose we can apply on this yes, so we can toggle statement is no, already print on this statement is no, and toggle yes and true and false. Suppose this is a true and false in this toggle statement. Suppose we can apply on this no statement, so we can use a toggle statement in this yes, and no statement we're gonna add on. Suppose this is a yes statement, so this yes statement toggle statement is no, in this print statement on this no. Okay, so in this use of mutating function in protocol, in this use of mutating function in this protocol. Suppose we're gonna add on this protocol, we're gonna achievement protocol is inheritance. Suppose it's multiple inheritance achievement on this protocol, we're gonna use the protocol anything. Suppose we're gonna create on this function func bank, and in this function return float, and in this function return float. So this is a rate in this note apply, this is a, suppose this is a bank protocol, which is going to apply on the bank protocol. Okay, we're going to bank protocol, we're going to apply on this rate of interest, we can use of method rate of interest. Okay, we're going to use of method suppose. Okay, and we're going to create on this class, and we can remove this code in this, remove this code. Okay, and we can use of method, and we're gonna create on this class. Suppose we're gonna first class is SBI. Okay, which is confirm on this protocol bank. Okay, and we're going to add on this functionality in this rate of interest method, in this type of instance method we're going to add on this rate of interest. Okay, suppose return statement rate of SBI is rate of interest is 15.0. Okay, and we're going to add on this, suppose we're going to create on this another class, suppose another class is PNB, which is confirm on this bank. So we're going to add on this functionality in this case, and we're going to add on this functionality in this case. Suppose in this case add on the functionality, and in this method same method is rate of interest. Suppose PNB rate of interest, we can single statement but not use the return statement, and this is the 10.0. Okay, we're going to add on return on this statement, and in this case, okay, we're going to use bank protocol rate of interest float, and is the SBI bank 15.0 and PNB bank is 10.0. Okay, we're going to create on this instance in this class. Suppose we're going to create on this instance, so let, suppose we're going to create on this function print rate of interest bank, which is in this function which have a bank, which is type of bank protocol. Okay, which is type of bank protocol, and we're going to create on this print statement. So print bank dot rate of interest, we're going to use a print statement. This is bank of print. Suppose in this case we're going to apply on this, this is a bank, not apply on this is a B, we're going to use a P dot which is type of bank, expected type, and we don't use a matter, not apply on this condition. So this is the expected type, which is type of bank, and B bank dot rate of interest calling in this method. And in this method, suppose we're gonna calling on this in this method is rate of interest. In this case only we're gonna apply on this rate of interest, and we're gonna use of rate of interest in this method, and we're gonna use of string interpolation in this string interpolation, this string integer value we're gonna assign on the string interpolation. Okay, so we're gonna create on this instance on this bank. Suppose this is a SBI, so SBI is equal to SBI. We're gonna create on this instance SBI, and we're gonna create on this PNB instance. So PNB is equal to PNB, which we're gonna create on this instance PNB, and we're gonna calling on this our function. We're gonna use a parent bank of interest. Suppose we're gonna pass on this SBI. So SBI, so we're gonna print on this SBI interest is 15 point on this SBI interest. So we're gonna print on this statement rate of interest is the 15.0. We're gonna check on this SBI interest. So SBI bank will confirm on this protocol. This is a 15.0 interest in this bank, and we're gonna use a print statement. So print rate of interest. Suppose this is a PNB. We're gonna print on this PNB the rate of interest is 10.0. This is PNB is 10.0, and SBI on this rate of interest PNB of this 10.0. So we're gonna apply on this bank rate of interest. So we're gonna use of statement, and we can return the rate of interest is 10.1 PNB. So we can use a PNB, and in this case we're gonna print on this application statement. So this is a bank is protocol. Bank is a protocol. So this is a what protocol? So that use a common task of functionality in use of protocol. We use the this is common task rate of interest in this bank SBI, and PN this is the rate of interest task in this project of this statement. So in this use common task on the functionality in this use on this thing. Suppose this is a protocol define a blueprint of methods, properties, and other requirement that is a common task of functionality in use of PNB bank of requirement, but is not apply on these conditions, and in this issue not issue. So we can consider on this superb in this protocol in Swift.